Hey, all, Matt Long Realtor here. I have another open house here today. I'm gonna take you guys on a tour. This one is in Oxford, Florida, which is right near the Villages. We are in the community of Oxford Oaks. This is a citrus designer model, the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. They are Georgia Bulldog fans. Please don't hold it against them. I'm not. All right. We walk in here, and this is a mixed use community. A wonderful, it's a good size coat closet right as we walk in here. Walk into the living area, and to the right, the kitchen. They have floor to ceiling cabinetry with the wonderful finishes and trim on them, all stainless steel appliances. Head back over this way to the living area. It's a nice, spacious living area with a sliding glass door that leads out to the screened-in patio where they have sun screens. There is room enough back here if you wanted to add a pool. This community does have a pool. And this is a split floor plan. We're going to head on over here to the guest sides. Head on into bedroom number 1. It's a good size bedroom. This is at the front of the house. And it does have the folding closet doors. Good sized closets. Always good for bedrooms. Heading back out into the hallway. We have the guest bathroom with tub. Heading on into bedroom number 2. This looks out over the backyard. Again, good sized bedrooms for guest bedrooms. Folding closet doors. Like the way they designed this house. One thing I really like is in this split concept, we have living, semi-open concept. I say semi-open because of this wall here. So semi-open, so you have a buffet here, and it looks out over the kitchen. So semi-open concept, still good for entertaining. Got a formal dining area right off the kitchen, which is great. And as we go through the kitchen, it heads into this wonderful large laundry room. Like most laundry rooms, like cut off here. You got the washer and dryer. This one has cabinets above, washer dryer, and a sink. These sinks are really great, and they carried the finishes in from the kitchen and match the countertop and shelving. And it's close to the master, which is great. And into the large master bedroom. Now, these walls are a darker blue. And in essence, I think kind of take away a little bit of the size of the room, even with, the higher ceilings. It But this room, even as I stand in it, is much bigger than it feels, but dark colors will usually do that. Substantial size master walk-in closet, or sorry, main primary bedroom walk-in closet, and the ensuite bathroom, as we see here. With the walk-in shower. And this one has a shower curtain on it. In all reality, it wouldn't be necessary to have a curtain unless you just want it for privacy. And there is storage for linens and towels within the bathroom, which is always nice. Toilet with a door to give some privacy. And I like that they carried the countertop style and color and cabinetry finishes throughout the house. And then right off of the laundry room and kitchen, which is great because this is basically almost like an open mudroom, this little galleyway leading out to the garage. So it's a great place because a lot of times, you know, by your front door, if you're over here by the front door, you're right by the living area, by the kitchen, you don't want shoes left there. Sometimes people don't want to leave shoes outside, but having these galleyways is essentially like almost like a mudroom allows that in the house, and you're not looking at the shoes. So this is a 2-car garage and it's extended. So as you can see here, there's room over on this side that you can put a substantial amount of storage or shelving. They had this set up as more of like a rec room. And there is storage up in the attic here. But this, if you wanted to fit a golf cart over here, you could. We are adjacent to the Villages. And air handler, hot water heater are all out here in a closet, so which is nice. It's a good finish on a house when you can see. It's nice to have it to where it's closed in by a door. If you have any questions about this listing, which again in this area, mixed housing close to the Village is usually moves pretty quick. But give me a call, 352-403-3730. You can head to my website, mattlongrealtor.com. Everywhere on social media, at mattlongrealtor. Be sure to like, heart, subscribe, emoji, thumbs up, share, turn on a little bell icon.